Note that the Garburn Road starts as a narrow stony lane, leaving the main road 250 yards south of the church. I'm guessing this is the church.
Where are we?
In the Lake District.
The boats?
Troutbeck.
Yeah, Troutbeck. What are we going up?
Sour How?
I think it's Sour House, isn't it?
Alright.
The new car arrived yesterday. So we decided to come out and stretch its legs today. Thought we'll get up, have a quick walk and leave the chocolate hunk back at home. Probably not the best time to do an introduction right next to running water, so let's get walking.
We're knackered.
Quick stop.
We can hear people.
We can hear people. But anyway, quick look at the view. And we'll go before we get caught on camera. What we've got here is the OL7 Ordnance Survey map. We do use a GPS based thing on the phone.
And Google Maps. And the Wainwright book.
Well, we ignore the Google Maps, but yeah, we have a little look at the Wainwright book as well. But this being 1 to 25,000 scale gives a bit more detail. Now the path shows that you go up past Moorhead to there and then follow that path up to the summit, up to Garburn Nook, and then do almost a U-turn hairpin. And instead of following the Garburn Pass, we'll go up towards this Moorhead, which takes you up to Sour House.
I love a bit of corrugated iron. Beautiful. I was waiting for you to go. That's what I want to do. Just a bit of fell running, you know. Just little hills like this. Dead easy. You usually do say that.
Not with my lungs.
Maybe downhill.
This is a perfect point to reflect because number one, we're knackered. And number two, the views in the background. Pretty bloody good at the moment. It's a lesser visited area, this, and it's beautiful for it.
Do some more Wainwrights.
Wainwrights?
Wainwrights, because we've done 50 something over the last 10 years that we've been together.
Yeah, we used to do 2 or 3 a month, every month. Got lazy, then lockdown came in.
Well, that's it, we need to just get our fitness back, don't we? I mean, we've done Blencathra, we've done Helvellyn, we've done Scarfell Pike, so and Skidder we've done. So we have done some of the big ones. We just need to get back into it, don't we?
So we just followed the route from down this path here up to this turning point as per on the map, just past the little coppice of trees and out that way. How's the view?
Hot.
Damn right it is.
Hubba hubba. wow. Look at the lake.
Yeesh kebab.
Beautiful, isn't it?
So that, in the distance all down there, into the distance over there. Whew, there's Windermere. Have a look at this. There's a little rocky outcrop on the way up. It gives you a great little viewpoint, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's stunning.
You ready for some soup?
No, I'm dying for some soup.
Where are we?
I think we're on the top of Sour House. There's about 10 different lumps up here, and
We're relying on a Wainwright book, an OS map app,
and Google
and an
Maps.
OS map, paper map. And it's not too clear on which one is the actual summit, but we're pretty confident this is it.
Yeah.
It says it looks like a little ridge. We have some soup.
Yeah.
I think this is a cracking spot to have some soup. Soup. This little thermos food flask is a godsend, because in the lid, in that little bit of the lid there, this spoon folds up and it holds half a litre of food or something like that, 700 millilitres. And the pear soup I make is the best. Yeah, the soup maker makes it for us. That's the summit of Sour House, complete.
Yeah, if you're, if you've only got an hour or so, or your fitness isn't great, even though it's just killed us walking up here, it's 400 and something metres high, but the views, you can see every Lakeland mountain under the sun, can't you?
It's 360. We can see Haysham Terminal in the distance under amazing light.
Yeah.
This camera won't pick it up because I've left my decent camera in the car, haven't I? You see some of the slightly more northern fells. You can see really good western fells. It's just
Like Windermere.
Windermere
For
is
miles.
glory.
Yeah.
It's just
Wow.
amazing.
So if you got a bit of fitness is in, because it's not a big walk, it's just uphill from the start, really.
Averagely moderate fitness, you'll find this
Yeah.
easy. We haven't got averagely moderate fitness, so we didn't find it easy. But
Say that, we feel fine now, don't we?
oh yeah, we're going to go on to Sallows, which is the next summit. It's probably only another half an hour walk, but
It's freezing.
it's cold. We need to get back for the dog, and it's just another reason. We didn't come here to take as many hills off as we can today. We came here to just get outside.
We did, and we've done it.
And we've picked an absolute peach of a day again. Yeah. We're just pretty good at this. If you want the route, let me know. I can probably share a link to it because I've mapped it on my Outdoor Active app, I think it's called. Uses OS Maps.
Less heavy breathing on the way down.
We think Sarah's mangle shoes are on the last legs. They're a good few years old now. And as a walking shoe,
amazing.
They've served her pretty well. If anyone's got any recommendations for ladies' walking shoes, probably ideally some sort of nubuck or leather material, not like a lightweight canvas running shoe. Hit us up in the comments.
And just to note, ladies/child's walking shoes because I'm a size 3.
Yeah, Sarah hasn't got feet, she's got trotters. She can't walk over cattle grids.
I can't.
It's like Oscar, she gets stuck in up to her belly. If anyone's got any recommendations as to what I should buy for outdoors, I don't actually need anything, but what should I get? Because we all like buying a new bit of kit. Yes, I have chosen a moment to talk to the camera when we're next to this running water again. But I don't know whether you've seen that video, I've got that anxiety where, you know, that Lewin Silves that we started watching. He says one of the things worse about van life is wondering whether your van's still there when you get back from a hike. I'm having that same anxiety right now, Lou, about my car. And I keep looking for where we were parked, and there's bloody trees in the way. Yes, he is. Sitting waiting patiently. There's me bloody camera. Sarah's gone to satisfy her morbidness. Having a walk around the graveyard. So I just thought I'd take the opportunity to say, if you're still here now, thanks for watching all the way through. Got a camper van trip coming up next weekend, possibly in the Lake District, so see you next video, eh?